Marhaba, this is Abdulrahman from the Arabiker. In this video, I will walk you through how to use our LearnGround. Just type learn.thearabiker.com, or you can access the LearnGround by visiting our main website www.thearabiker.com. From there you can find our LearnGround to the top right corner. Here you just need to tell Rashid, our AI assistant, some basic information about yourself and agree to the privacy statement to proceed. Then you need to tell Rashid what type of Arabic you are interested in learning. Is it modern standard Arabic, MSA, or integrated Arabic, in which you would like to blend MSA and Jordanian Palestinian dialect based on the context. Here I will choose MSA. After that, you need to tell Rashid what skill of Arabic you would like to learn. For now, we only have two aspects of Arabic available: vocabulary and reading. We will be adding more aspects of Arabic in the future, inshallah. Here I will choose reading. Here you need to tell Rashid what your Arabic level is. We understand that it's relatively difficult to estimate, but you can read the options description in order to give it a guess. Here I will choose advanced. Lastly, you need to tell Rashid what Arabic theme you would like to learn. We have a preset list of Arabic themes based on the level. I will choose environment here. And optionally, you can tell us the subtopic that you would like to learn under the main Arabic theme there. Here I will choose material recycling. Then submit. Now Rashid will provide you with a reading text for you to practice and engage with Rashid by answering the questions that Rashid will pose. We are working on enhancing the user experience and user interface, but for now, copy and paste this text and put it aside on a document or something so you can refer to it to answer Rashid's questions. You can interact with Rashid by typing your answer here in this text box, or through speaking to Rashid by hitting this mic button. Be aware that this service only works when you speak in Arabic, and make sure you prepare what you want to say, as the recording will last for 30 seconds only. Rashid will walk you through questions until making sure you understand and comprehend the text. I wish you all the best in your Arabic learning journey. Check out our website for other Arabic learning services that we offer. Also, follow us on social media. We post some useful Arabic material there. Salam.